Morning guys, trying to put in my aftermarket crankshaft pulley, but I am having difficulty. This is actually my second time trying it. First time I tried it with a torque wrench. It was a impact gun, but no avail. So I came back out again to try it. So this time, as I'm trying to loosen, the damn crank turns with it. So I do not know how to keep the crank from turning as I'm trying to loosen the bolt. The bolt, if you guys want to know, it is a 22mm. Tensioner is up there. That is a 5/8 bolt. I haven't taken the belt out because I thought it would help me keep the crankshaft pulley in place as I try to loosen it, which it did not. So if you guys have any tips or tricks, I've seen where they put the bolt on the bolt right here, and they secured the breaker bar like on the floor even, or they put it up on a jack and they took off the ignition coil of the engine and then cranked the engine. And I didn't want to go that route. I don't want to damage anything. But for you guys to know how to get to it, it's just a wheel well. Wheel well is held on by some screws. I think they're that is a 8mm. So some 8mm screws that go along this side right here on the front, and the rest are just clips. But if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I would greatly appreciate it so I can finally take this damn thing off. Like I said, a impact gun didn't do anything to it, just shook the hell out of it. So if you guys can give me some suggestions, I'd help. I greatly appreciate it. And thanks for tuning in again.